Hello, lovely people. It's your girl Asabea, and it's tech news and tech hack brought to you. You know that lovely picture of yours whenever you want to take it once you are in the moment and you're ready, you have your phone, and all you have to do is just pose for the picture. All of a sudden, you see insufficient storage available. Oh my god, then your world turns upside down. Let's see how WhatsApp has got the problem solved for us. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, share, like everything that you like, okay? Alright, so let's just move on to my screen or mine. This time is my phone. Open my WhatsApp and look for settings. Let's look for settings on yours, whether it's Android or iOS. Just look for settings, and there let's look for storage and data. Now, have you found it? Now let's go to manage storage. Here you get to see how much storage each chat has sent to you. So for me, the first person I have here is Nana Kwame, and when I click on Nana Kwame, these are the things that he sent to me. Yes, I can just select them and delete them one after the other. If I have already checked this, I can just click on it, delete it. I don't need to see it anymore. That's one way of doing it. Or I can simply click on select and select them one after the other, pick those ones I want to delete, or I could just click on select all at the bottom and I select all, or deselect all. If I don't want to delete, I'll just cancel that. That is how simple you can easily get rid of pictures, images that you don't want. Here you can just go to one particular chat of yours and then delete that media. So you have lots of groups that are sending so many, voices, audio, so many videos and all that, and you're wondering why your phone is that full. It's all because of all those things. And you can simply do that just by coming to your WhatsApp, looking for that group or that contact, clicking on it, and just deleting everything if you don't need it. That's how simple it is. Tune to my channel and more of this will come your way anytime. It's Asabea. Just relax and